Good day, everyone. Today we'll discuss logarithmic functions of complex numbers. In finding for the logarithm of a complex number, we use the exponential form of the complex number. So logarithm of z is equal to the logarithm of r e raised to j theta is equal to logarithm of r plus j times theta logarithm of e. And then ln of z, or natural logarithm of z, is equal to ln of re raised to j theta. That's equal to ln of r plus j times theta times ln of e. Converting rectangular form to exponential form. So these are the steps. First, we convert the given rectangular form x plus jy to polar form r bar angle theta. Second, convert the argument theta from degrees, since that is polar form, to radian. And then we use the conversion factor, or the conversion pi rad is equal to 180 degrees. And last, third, express the polar form r bar angle theta to exponential form re raised to j theta, where theta is in radians. Example, evaluate logarithm of 3 plus j4. So first, we need to convert 3 plus j4 to exponential form. So first, we convert these to polar form. So we have r and then theta. So we have r, that's the square root of your 3 squared plus 4 squared. So 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we have 5. And then theta, that is the arctangent of your 4 over 3. That's equal to 53.13 degrees. 3 plus j4 is located on the first quadrant. Okay, so your we call that your polar form is now 5 bar angle 53.13. So we express this in exponential form. So we need to convert your theta from degrees to radians. So we have uh, 53.13 degrees times pi rad over 180 degrees. Your degrees is cancelled, or that's cancelled. So we now have uh, 0.9273 radians. So therefore, 3 plus j4 in exponential form, that is 5 e raised to 0.9273, or j 0.9273. Okay, so we now have your 3 plus j4 in exponential form, which is 5 e raised to j 0.9273. So we now solve for the logarithm of that. So the logarithm of 3 plus j4 is equal to the logarithm of 5 e raised to j 0.9273. So from the formula, so we have the logarithm of 5 plus j times your theta 0.9273 logarithm of your e, or your Euler's number. Okay, your Euler's number is approximately equal to 2.71. So, and then from that, logarithm of 5, so we have logarithm of 3 plus j4. So the logarithm of 5, that is equal to 0.6990 plus your j. So 0.9273 times the logarithm of e. So we use your e on your calculator. That's approximately equal to 2.718. Okay. So we have j 0.4027. So logarithm of 3 plus j4 is equal to 0.6990 plus j 0.4027. Next example, evaluate the natural logarithm of 2 plus j3, or ln of 2 plus j3. So we need to obtain the exponential form of your 2 plus j3. First, we convert this given rectangular form to polar form. So again, we have r and theta. So your r is the square root of your 2 squared plus 3 squared. That's equal to 3.6056. And then your theta, we have the arctangent of your 3 over 2. So that is equal to 56.31 degrees. And then this is located on the first quadrant of your Argand diagram. Okay. So we have this complex number 2 plus j3, and then this is your angle theta, which is 56.31 degrees. And then we convert this to uh, radians, your angle. So we now have times pi rad over 180 degrees. So this is now equal to 0.9828 radians. So now we have your 2 plus j3 is equal to 3.6056 e raised to 0.9828 j, or j 0.9828. So from that one, we have your ln of 2 plus j3 that's equal to ln of 3.6056 e raised to j 0.9828. And from the formula given, you now have ln of 3.6056 plus your j, and then your theta 0.9828 times ln of e. And then, as you can remember, ln of e is equal to 1. Okay? So we now have ln of 2 plus j3, that's equal to ln of 3.6056, that is equal to 1.2825 plus j is 0.9828. This is now our answer for ln2 plus j3. That ends our lesson for the logarithms of complex numbers. Thank you.